Good evening, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. It's a beautiful evening in spectacular Athens, Georgia. And boy, the garden is looking lovely. It's early July. And I want to show you, I mean, we all know what impatiens are. It's been many years since we can really boast about impatiens again. This is one called Beacon. And it's one of the impatiens that has been bred for downy mildew resistance. And I mean, I can go up close and I can come back, and it's a beautiful impatiens, as you can see. In fact, it's eating up the entire property. But the nice thing is there's not a stick of disease on this thing. So if you're going out to find impatiens, try this Beacon. There's a whole bunch of colors. This is pink, but I think you'll really, really be happy with them. I certainly am. Come on, let's get dirty. Let's go gardening. Let's have fun.